Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on Garmin Forerunner 70. Okay, it's pretty easy. First, hold the upper left button, and in here, if you don't already have the Do Not Disturb mode in this wheel, in my case it was automatically, you can add it manually. Hold the up button, this one right in here, the middle one on the left side, and then click on Add Controls, and from the list you just gotta find Do Not Disturb mode. Then it will appear right in here on this wheel. And now if you want to turn it on, simply hit the Start Stop button. Now the Do Not Disturb mode has been successfully enabled. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.